Americans are rapidly changing how they watch content at home in 2025, and instead of upgrading to larger and more expensive televisions, many people across the United States are choosing smart projectors as their main screen because they better fit modern living spaces, budgets, and lifestyles. As apartments, dorm rooms, and rental homes become more common, people want entertainment setups that don't require wall mounting, heavy furniture, or permanent installation, and smart projectors solve that by delivering massive screen sizes on any blank wall with almost no effort. One of the biggest reasons this trend is growing in the US is value, because a single smart projector can create a 100-inch or even 120-inch viewing experience at a fraction of the cost of a large TV, which appeals strongly to students, young professionals, and families trying to stretch their budgets. Portability is another major factor, since Americans love tech that can move with them, and smart projectors can easily be carried from living room to bedroom, taken to a friend's place, or packed for travel without hassle. Streaming habits are also pushing this shift, as more Americans rely on built-in apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video, and modern smart projectors now include full operating systems, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and voice control, removing the need for extra devices. In 2025, picture quality has improved dramatically, with brighter output, better color accuracy, and lower input lag, making projectors suitable not just for movies but also for sports, gaming, and live events. Another reason Americans are embracing smart projectors is flexibility, because they don't lock users into one viewing position, allowing people to watch content from beds, couches, or even outdoor spaces during gatherings. Design also plays a role, as many smart projectors blend into minimalist interiors better than large black TVs, which can dominate a room even when turned off. For renters in the US, avoiding wall damage is a huge benefit, since projectors eliminate the need for drilling mounts or rearranging furniture around a fixed screen. Even families are discovering that smart projectors encourage shared experiences, turning casual movie nights into something that feels more special and immersive. What makes this trend especially powerful in 2025 is that Americans are prioritizing experience over ownership, choosing flexible, adaptable tech instead of bulky devices tied to one room. As prices continue to drop and features improve, smart projectors are no longer a niche gadget but a practical alternative to traditional TVs for everyday use. This shift shows how entertainment in the United States is becoming more mobile, space-friendly, and experience-driven, and why smart projectors are quickly becoming the go-to screen choice for apartments, dorms, and modern homes across the country.